Okay, so this is my account in Steamy.com, the platform that I was telling you about. As you can see, I joined in February 2018, and these are my posts. You see, I earn 18 cents, 36, 19, 3 cents, 17. Let's see, 4.53. Some of them earn more, 5.54. Okay, let's see. It's very. I have like 700 posts here. It's very transparent because you see you have the wallet here, and it tells you, and it tells everybody how much money you have. Like my account is $102, and my activity here is very transparent. Nothing to hide. So this is the blogging platform that I keep telling you guys about. It's very good to join because you just share whatever you like. Like in this one, I'm talking about my pendant that I made, and I just wrote just a few sentences and I put the pictures. I like to take pictures like when I do work in progress, and people like this, and that's about it. I posted pictures and I got $5. This is cool. People are talking about it. You see, I got comments. You can do the same thing. So go ahead, check this platform, and as I said before, I have a course that I promote. A friend of mine, she wrote step by step how to join this platform, so you don't have to work too hard. So I'll put the link below this video, okay? So I'll see you there. Bye.